I received this mini skincare fridge for rent purposes, and I think it's really, really nice. It can hold up to 6 different cans, and it has a dimmable LED mirror. As you can see, it comes really well protected with foam and these corner pieces, so it doesn't get damaged or anything. And when we take it out, we find the instruction memo with all the steps on how to use it, all the recommendations, and the proper main jacket, okay? As you can see, we have the side mirror and the inside where we get all the cables and everything that we need to use it. We get 2 power cords. One is for our regular outlet for our home, and we got another one to use it with our card, which I think it's really, really nice. To get this trays, you can just set, if you need it, like this. You just place it inside of the fridge, and you have 2 different levels, and these spacers, you can place it in the door, okay? On the back side, we have the control to use it with heating function or the cold function, and the ports to connect it to the okay? So we're gonna plug it in, as you can see right here. And once we have plugged it in, we can turn it on and select the different mode that we want. As I've said, we can use it with a healing function or a cold function, which I think it's really, really nice. Depending on what you need, it's gonna do an amazing work. And as you can see, you can turn on the light in the mirror with this button. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna place all our skincare inside of it. Okay, and as you can see, you can change the intensity of the light with this button. It has 3 different modes, and overall, I like it a lot. Now, I really recommend it. See you guys.